Welcome to another insightful video. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll take you on a journey through the Society of Automotive Engineers, a must-know for every asset manager out there. We'll start by demystifying what Society of Automotive Engineers stands for and how it impacts various transport industries. Then we'll delve into the key questions that determine adherence to the Reliability-Centered Maintenance, or RCM process, and discuss how to approach it without altering your organization's culture. So keep watching to gain a deeper understanding of this crucial standard and how it can enhance the safety and reliability of your equipment. Let's dive into the world of Society of Automotive Engineers JA1011. But first, let's clarify what Society of Automotive Engineers stands for. This organization has expanded its focus to include various transport industries, including aerospace and commercial vehicles. Society of Automotive Engineers JA1011 was initially developed by the commercial aviation industry to enhance the safety and reliability of their equipment. It's known as a reliability-centered maintenance or reliability-centered maintenance process. According to Reliability Web, reliability-centered maintenance activities significantly increase asset performance by delivering value to owners, customers, and stakeholders. Now, if you're wondering how to determine if an organization is following reliability-centered maintenance standards, Society of Automotive Engineers, JA1011, has outlined 7 essential questions. First, what are the functions and associated desired standards of performance of the asset in its current operating context? Second, in what ways can the asset fail to fulfill its functions? Third, what causes each functional failure? Fourth, what happens when each failure occurs? Fifth, in what way does each failure matter? Sixth, what should be done to predict or prevent each failure? And finally, seventh, what should be done if a suitable proactive task cannot be found? Now let's talk about how to approach Society of Automotive Engineers JA1011. It's important to understand that it's not a tool to modify the culture of an organization. Reliability-centered maintenance activities are functions of a maintenance and reliability team. Unlike programs such as TPM or ISO 55000, Society of Automotive Engineers doesn't require participation from the entire organization. Penn State's Applied Research Laboratory describes reliability-centered maintenance as a systematic process for determining the most effective and efficient maintenance management plan for a specific platform, system, or component. However, reliability-centered maintenance doesn't promise continued improvement and adherence like TPM or ISO 55000. But don't underestimate the power of Society of Automotive Engineers JA1011. It can be a part of ISO 55000 or TPM. It uses failure modes and effects analysis, or FMEA, and other components of standard maintenance applications. So what triggers reliability-centered maintenance activities? It could be a catastrophic failure, ongoing performance concerns, or the need to establish a baseline for further improvement activities. The steps taken by most reliability-centered maintenance organizations include analyzing equipment through activities like FMEA, determining the equipment's current status using data such as downtime reports, maintenance activities and costs, and precision inspection, implementing tools to meet the purpose of the action, and analyzing data to ensure that the action is working. Just like other improvement processes, reliability-centered maintenance requires a charter and a champion. The champion needs to have the skills to grasp technical issues and opportunities and the ability to exercise leadership and work with various departments. Some organizations even offer training and certification for reliability-centered maintenance leaders. Potential vendors of reliability-centered maintenance facilitator training include Aladon, Plant Wellness Way, RCM Blitz, and Reliasoft. A successful reliability-centered maintenance team typically consists of a champion, support personnel like engineers, accountants, supply chain staff, and operators and line technicians. The addition of operations personnel boosts the team's status within the organization, making the work a solution to the organization's needs and opportunities. If you're looking for resources to ensure reliability-centered maintenance success, consider checking out the Reliability-Centered Maintenance Project Manager's Guide by Reliability Web and an overview of the process, a presentation on reliability-centered maintenance by Penn State University's Applied Research Laboratory. In conclusion, Automotive Engineers JA1011 offers maintenance and reliability organizations a stable path to obtaining reliability. While it's not designed to change an organization's culture, it can be a start. Expanding the efforts to a broader program like TPM or ISO 55000 can include the work completed under Automotive Engineers JA1011 and shift the culture of an organization. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the Automotive Engineers JA1011 Standard and its impact on asset management and reliability-centered maintenance. Remember, these practices are key to enhancing the safety and reliability of your equipment. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.